outside.
This is Don Rufato, and he's going to talk about the performance model, and he made it easier to hear what he's speaking. So, Don?
Yeah, hi. So I made a slight modification to the integrated cartridge version of the Performance Respirator model, and that was to rechange the front plate to be very thin to act as a resonator. So now when you speak, this front plate resonates your voice and helps reduce the muffling that the mask will generally cause. You can actually feel that effect if you put your hand up to it and talk. You'll feel it vibrate against your finger.
And it still has the same excellent fit and filter?
Yeah, so all the fit properties are the same. Actually, this upgraded version has a larger surface area on the filter as well to make it easier to breathe. So all that stays the same. It's only a very small modification, and we made the front plate very thin, about 0.4 millimeters thick, and now it acts as a resonator, which is very similar to what they use in gas masks. So they actually have these voice amplifying diaphragms that you can screw into them. And these are fully mechanical solutions, so no electrical, no bad batteries required. And again, it helps reduce the muffling. So it gives them a crisper sound to your voice that makes it easier for people to recognize and to hear.
It is so much better. I can hear you so much clearer than before. So good job on version 2.
Thank you.